if you just treat this market like you did your first market, you'll be fine. Now, what I mean by that is you already know what to do. So people that are experiencing fear a lot of times in a shifting market, a lot of times there is like, I don't know what to do. They may not be verbalizing that, but they feel they don't know how. They feel like they don't know what to do. And I always say, no, I don't believe that you don't know what to do, because the first market you ever got in, you actually knew what to do. And that's why you've made it this long. So we have to get real about how we're really feeling. You don't lack knowing how. What we have to do is we have to kind of stand up and take massive action on what we already know how to do. So when people, like a deer, right? They say a deer in headlights. What does a deer do? When some light just shows up and starts shining, the deer freezes. They don't know to go left, right. Should I jump up? Should I duck down? They freeze. It's a deer in headlights. And then because they freeze, the car ends up hitting them. So the market is the car, and we are the deer. And 80% of people, in my opinion, are freezing.
Yeah.
I don't know if you should go left, right, up, or down, but I know one thing for sure. Make your move. Make a move.